Hello everyone. Today we have a set of incredible personalities with us to talk about the power of positive thinking. Sudha Murthy, Sean Acker, Oprah Winfrey, and Mahendra Singh Dhoni.
Positive thinking can turn obstacles into opportunities. It helps us achieve our goals. Today's interview will show us how this mindset can make a big difference in our lives.
Good morning, Miss Murthy. It's a pleasure to have you here today. You have been an inspiration to many through your work as an author, social worker, and a philanthropist. Can you share your thoughts on positive thinking and how it has influenced your life and work?
Good morning. Thank you for having me. Positive thinking has been a cornerstone of my philosophy. One of the lessons I have learned is that if you try to please everyone, you will please no one. It is impossible to lead your life for others' happiness. This mindset has helped me to stay true to my values and goals. I also believe wishing without action is merely a dream. Action without vision just passes the time. Wishing with action can change the world. Positive thinking, paired with proactive steps, has allowed me to contribute meaningfully to society.
Thank you, Ms. Murthy, for sharing your inspiring perspective on positive thinking. Finally, what is your philosophy on giving and taking in life?
Well, I believe in reciprocity and generosity. Give when you take. Do not take without giving. This principle fosters a culture of mutual respect and kindness, which is essential for a harmonious society.
Thank you, Ms. Murthy, for sharing your wisdom and insights with us. Your words are truly inspiring.
Up next, we have Oprah Winfrey with us here, an American talk show host, media proprietor, television producer, and actress. Oprah, you shared some powerful quotes about self worth and positive thinking. Can you elaborate on one of your quotes? When you undervalue what you do, the world will undervalue who you are.
Certainly. When you undervalue what you do, the world will undervalue who you are. It's all about self respect and confidence. If you don't believe in the importance and worth of your work, others will pick up on that. They'll see that lack of confidence and respond to it, often by undervaluing you as well. So it's crucial to recognize and celebrate our own efforts and understand that what you do matters. When you value your contributions, you project that confidence, and others are more likely to respect and value you too.
That makes so much sense. Oprah, in your 2011 commencement speech at the Spelman College, you shared a quote. Doing the best at this moment puts you in the best place for the next moment. How do you apply this principle in your life?
Doing the best at this moment puts you in the best place for the next moment. It's all about being present and giving your all to whatever you're doing right now. If you do your best in the present, you set yourself up for future success. Each moment builds up on the last, creating a strong foundation for whatever comes next. And that is what a positive mindset is.
That's such an insightful approach. Oprah, can you share how you stay positive and motivated during your challenging times?
Staying positive and motivated during challenging times requires a lot of self reflection and gratitude. I always focus on what I can do and try to let go of what I can't.
Thank you, Ms. Oprah, for sharing your insights with us. MS Dhoni, you always seem to be so calm and composed, even under high pressure situations. How do you maintain that positive mindset?
Well, for me, most of the time is a good time. You're either learning or enjoying what you've learned. It's not about the ups and downs. If you win, you celebrate. If you lose, you learn from it. It's actually very simple. Just don't think about the results. It's the results that puts the pressure on us. What if we fail? What if we don't win the match? What if it doesn't happen? But again, worry about the controllables. Whatever the controllables are, we take care of it. We'll get the desired results. If we don't, we'll change our plans, execute it better, and have a chance to prove ourselves again.
That approach certainly seems to pay you off, and we Indian cricket fans are forever grateful for that. Is there any specific philosophy that you follow to keep such a mindset?
I believe in staying focused on the present. And as I always say, we don't play for the crowd, we play for the country. This keeps me grounded and driven to do the best for my country.
Thank you so much for sharing your thoughts with us.
Sean, you've spoken about the power of self talking in all of your greatest works. How do you apply this principle in your own life? And what strategies do you use to maintain a positive mindset?
I think it's a matter of how you talk to yourself that really shapes your life. If you're talking to yourself in a way that's negative and critical, it's gonna manifest in your life. But if you're talking to yourself in a way that's positive and self encouraging, it's gonna manifest in your life too. So I'm really conscious of how I talk to myself.
Wow, that's such a powerful perspective. It's amazing how much our inner dialogues impact our outer reality. I think a lot of people struggle with negative self talk and self criticism. But it's really inspiring to see that you make a conscious effort to focus on positivity.
In closing, our guests have shared powerful lessons on the impact of positive thinking. Sudhamurthy emphasized on staying true to one's values and pairing vision with action. Oprah Winfrey highlighted on the importance of self respect and giving your best in the present to build a successful future.
Mahendra Singh Dhoni spoke about focusing on the present and not letting the results distract us, while Sean underscored the power of positive self talk in shaping our reality. Together, these insights remind us that a positive mindset is essential for our personal growth and development.
Thank you to our guests for their inspiring contributions.